Hey team, let's set up a new document. So we create new. You have a new document here. I've been working in InDesign for the last 10 years, and I've worked in ad agencies. So I love this program, and it's so amazing. It's really great for laying out documents. So let's get into it. So at the top, you'll see print, web, mobile. So you have to choose which one you want to use. If you want to use print, remember the colors will be CMYK, so everything will be duller. If you want to use bright colors, they'll be used for online, use web. So web will be pixels, mil, and then print will be inches and mils. So for this example, we're going to use A4 because I'm based in Australia. So I go to A4, and then once you go to the right here, you'll see orientation. So there'll be portrait, the other one will be landscape. So for this one, we're going to choose portrait, and below that, we're going to have pages. We're going to select 2 pages, and you're going to see this thing called facing pages. You're wondering what that is. Imagine how it is. It's pages literally facing each other. So they'll be right next to each other, butting up right next to each other, and they'll be used for spreads. So they'll be, once you get to know InDesign a bit more, you can start playing with that. So we'll tick it off. And below that, you'll see margins. So I'm going to put it up to 14. I like a little bit of a big margin. It's just my taste. And below that is bleed. So with bleed, you can set it up to 3. And then from there, you can just play with it, and it depends on the size of your document. Bigger the document, bigger the bleed. Okay, so from there, we push create. So once that's all set up, it's all done, and we just push create, and now you're logged in. Or now you're set up. That's the right word. So now you're set up. Now you can just let your creativity go wild. Enjoy.